We welcome back, ladies and gents. Hope everybody's doing great, doing well. We've got my sister out in the back. She's gonna help me out today. Behind me, I've got this piece of white tappet cover now, if you haven't noticed yet. We've done the air gasket, the water pump cocked itself, thermostat, and we've cleaned all the hoses out, obviously after 22 years. It's built up a lot of on the inside. So yeah, tappet cover is now white, which I think fits pretty well. But that's not today's focus though. Today's focus is going to be something on the back of the car. I've always liked the whole idea of what people do with the S14s, and I've seen it on BMs lately as well and so on. Also, before I carry on with that, just notice you guys are being filmed on a camera today. I'm not even sure if it can pick it up there, but there we go. Filmed on the camera today. We've got the M50. We are testing it out. I might get my own one soon. So just testing this out, audio quality and so on and so on. Obviously I'll get the mic at a later stage. What's cool is I've got the mic on here for that. So that's going to go on my TikTok. That's a little shorter form. That's what I've been focusing on for the last few weeks, so to say. Let's just clean up here. Okay, so this car is super dirty as well. So I'm just cleaning this section. I'm actually contemplating putting myself into a challenge of trying to see how dirty I can let this car be. But if you know me well enough, probably 3 weeks and probably max, and then it needs a polish. Let's just dive into it immediately. I've always wanted one, test fitted it and all that, and then my sister organized for my birthday that this was my gift, and I'm super grateful for it. So yeah, it is the Polo 6 spoiler, and I think I've tested it and it looks pretty cool. But to get an idea, what we are essentially doing today, excuse my hands, I've been working on the car, is mounting it there, and then we'll have a roof spoiler. Which I think is, man, what do you think?
Wow.
How's that look?
Look at the perfect fit.
It's been used a lot for work as well. So hopefully this sticks. I'm on the long road a lot, so if this flies off, it would also be pretty good content, I guess. But you know what, I'm gonna try it out. So just gonna clean the spoiler off, and we'll put you guys down over there. Also just carry on filming, that's gonna carry on filming, and have two different angles. This one's gonna have a nice conversation now. So, you know what, I miss Matt. Matt wouldn't do anything, Matt would probably film, and I would need to get actual help, but it would be fun to have him here. Stupid dogs. Okay.
No pressure.
No pressure, dog. Thicker than a thnicker. Also, Coffee Club this weekend. Don't forget about it. This Saturday. You ready? You grab. Turn like this. Turn it over. It won't fall. It shouldn't fall.
There's stuff on it.
Yeah, it shouldn't fall. So, you probably pull that your left sleeve up, mate. I'm gonna suggest that. I forgot it. It's not that heavy. Super lightweight, aerodynamic, my bro. Okay. You need to go to your spot.
Wait.
Don't. So what you're gonna do is this lines with the gutter.
Yeah.
So essentially put that down there.
It's not on the gutter. It's like a pitchy off.
Now put it over to your side. It's there.
That way.
Oh. Okay. Now don't put it on the gutter then. Center it. I need a third person.
And the bottom part?
I'm gonna come down now.
I'm trying not to make it touch at all.
No, make it touch. It must touch. It's still maneuverable for a bit. So, look. It's fine. Holy shit. You keen to get your hands dirty?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Take your finger, bro, and run it in the...
In here or in the other side?
Like, around like this.
Ew.
It must sit. Ah! Yeah, it's not nice.
So much going on.
Yeah, it's fine. Yeah. Don't let it go in the glass.
It's underneath the thing.
It's fine. Excuse me. What we essentially want to close off is this here. This is a really messy job. Ugh. Sikaflex coming off of the roof is going to be my worst nightmare. So the car is essentially eventually going for a respray. So this will all be done correctly. But for now, yeah. Look at my hands! I'm gonna need a few here. Now imagine I had to try and do this shit on my own. Violence! Oh, this is gonna be so messy. It looks so good though. My hands are also full of the stuff I'm trying to clean off the car. I'm just making it like to a certain point where I'm able to polish it off at a later stage. You know, like once it's like semi-dry. It's getting worse.
Camera on camera. Kissy, kissy. Mwah.
Listen, ASMR. ASMR, man. Look at this shit. I've been dealing with this for a bit now. It's a problem I've got.
Look at this bar. Bye, bar. Bye, bar.
It's mad. Why do I like it?
Yuck.
Essentially.
Look at what is going on.
Look at the roof spoiler.
Woo!
Okay. This weekend we'll do some weather testing. Once it sets, we'll give it some time to set. I'll probably only use the car for work again tomorrow. But we'll take it up on a closed circuit. To where we can see what speed it will withstand. So that we don't pull a DDE. We just need to put some masking tape on to keep it in place in the meantime. And then I'll come later, clean off all the excess, whatever's here. Just gonna pack up now. What's everybody's thought though on this? Like, I like it. Something different, something pretty unique in my opinion. Like, I haven't seen anybody else do it yet. So yeah, just letting you know. When you see another Sentra with this roof spoiler, got you. Essentially want to take photos. Playing a block later down. When I'm done with it though, but then like I'll probably clean the wheels at least and then, you know, sort it out from there, but for now it's fine. It's fine. Okay, so wheels had to be cleaned now. It was vital. Like the whole car is dirty, look at that. It's super dirty and whatnot, but yo folks, it looks so good. I am absolutely loving this. What the flip? Now I've got two spoilers. I like that. With the extra Ikigai sticker that was tested in my car. Yeah, jdnikigai.com. I'm just having one last look quickly to finish it off for the vlog. So let me know below as well what you guys think of the quality with the camera. My quality, I'm sure at the later stage I could get a better quality mic and so on, but for now, first vlog done with this camera. This is actually just a test camera before I go buy my own one. But yeah, it's pretty good, I think. I'm not sure about I'm gonna hear the audio quality now as well. But let me know what you guys' thoughts are on the spoiler, on the camera. And it's good to be back. Sorry I've been gone for a long time, or for a little bit. But yeah, we've got Curvy Club this weekend, so we've got more content coming up.